came out this morning and I got stung by a yellowjacket. Here's one buzzing around me now. He might pop me if I'm not careful. I'm trying to show you the hole. There he is. He went right in that hole right there. See that? Now it's settled down now. It's almost 7:30 or so in the evening. They're still going in, but not like they were. They're not so aggressive right now. I'm going to seal that with some putty. And we will see if they're going to sting me again. My hand's swollen up. Here's another. This is a hydraulic putty that I used before on when I sealed the mouse hole. If you haven't seen how I sealed up these holes, you need to watch the mouse video. I'm going to take a little bit of this and just stick it right in that hole, seal it up, and that'll be the end of the yellow jacket problem. Well, all that activity has ceased. I don't see any yellow jackets swarming right now, so hopefully you can see, and hopefully I won't get hit. Still getting it to, looks like it's a pretty small hole. Press it in. Just put a little extra on the edges. I'm just sorry they attacked me, but I can't have this. That's it. I don't expect to see them tomorrow. We will check in on them. Little did I know it was not going to be that easy. This is day 2. First thing this morning I went out, there were no yellowjackets. Everything was fine. A little while later, I saw them buzzing around and went and took a look. There's a hole right on the edge of the putty. 2 holes now that need to be filled. But I have another idea. I bought some spray from Ace Hardware, and I'm going to try that. This wasp and hornet spray only costs $4 a can, and it shoots a pretty long way, but it doesn't seem to have much effect. I'll try again. There. That should do it. Yeah. No. I didn't do anything. Oh my. So I patched the hole again for the second time. That should do it, right? Little did I know it was not going to be that easy. It's day 3 of the yellowjackets, and they're back. Not from the same holes that patch held last night. They found a new hole closer to the hose. So I patched that hole. Not only did I patch that hole, I patched every little crack I could find around that hole. Surely that's going to stop them. right? Little did I know it was not going to be that easy. The wasps are back. They're swarming right down there. They broke through the dam. So this time I'm going to put some steel wool in, mix it with the putty, and that should stop them. Well, it looks like they put a hole right through my putty. So, it took them a long time to get through. I'm gonna have to put some steel wool in there, I think. But they're back in business for right this minute. But it took them all day. This is almost 8 o'clock, 7:30 p.m. So it took them a long time to make the hole, but they made it, so I'll try again tomorrow. That steel wool should solve the problem, right? Little did I know it was not going to be that easy. So I found another hole right there, and I just filled it with putty reinforced with steel wool. But they broke through the other side too, so I've got to try to hit that again with reinforced steel wool and putty. They broke through. I thought I put steel wool in there last night, but they can only go through one at a time. So that's why so much traffic. Oh, the yellowjackets are all asleep. So today I filled in this hole. They were coming out of there and going back in, so I guess that's a route. But the big route is over here on the other side. This is the camera I was using today to try to see what they were doing. I stuck the extension into this long pipe, and the camera is on the end. Had to cut away some of this foliage today so I could look in here to see where the yellowjackets were. They're buzzing around here all day. And finally, right there, is where they had busted through. And I put some steel wool and some more putty into the hole, so hopefully that will hold. I don't see anything else. Any other places, unless they're coming up through the ground. Not obvious though. They're such good guardians during the daytime. They sure don't guard at night. It's day 6 and they're back. Well, yesterday I put some concrete up there, thinking I was seeing these go into that hole. Well, the crack between the step and the next level, they were going behind that. So I put some concrete in front of that. Nothing happened at first, and then suddenly it's like this. I don't know where they're coming from, but I've seen some today go in a little to the left of that pillar. So I just came out here a while ago, there was no activity. I had some dishwashing soap, and I just squirted some right in the front left corner where I didn't put any concrete. Concrete. And so I'm about to squirt it with water and see if that will help reduce the number of these yellowjackets. Maybe I can drown out their colony nest. right there is where, right along here is where I put the concrete. But right here is where I didn't get any, right back behind that corner. And I see them going in there. So hopefully this will give them a little soapy water. There's a little bit of activity going on. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes after the first dose. Not much activity though. And when they come out, they seem to be coming from the right side. So maybe there's a hole over there that I'm unaware of. So some are still going in this corner right there. Right there. So I got some steel wool. I'm going to try to stick in there and see if that helps. So that is where they were going. So hopefully that will stop them from getting in that hole. Don't need putty really. I think they can't do anything with that steel wool unless they actually carry it out, which I guess they could do. We'll see. Do you think the water, the steel wool, and the concrete stop those yellow jackets? Stay tuned to find out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of any future videos.